Ranjit. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, and students, Assalamu alaikum. Let's view the use of conjunction in speaking. The use of conjunctional phrases in speaking. उन जुमलों को आज देखते हैं जिनका इस्तेमाल स्पीकिंग में होता है, इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग में जिनका इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. और these phrases are constructed with the help of conjunctions. Conjunctions are those words used in speaking which link other words and sentences together. आइए इन phrases को देखते हैं जिनमें conjunction का इस्तेमाल किया गया है. Let's view and read out these phrases in which we have used the conjunction. Let's look up here on this whiteboard. Here you see the first phrase or statement is Andy was joking. Andy was joking while Sue was laughing. Andy was joking while Sue was laughing. Andy was joking while Sue was laughing. Andy मजाक कर रहा था जबकि Sue हंस रही थी. Andy was joking while Sue was laughing. Andy मजाक कर रहा था जबकि Sue हंस रही थी. Both of these phrases are linked with while. While is a conjunction. While is a conjunction here that links the first phrase and the second phrase. So this is an example of a phrasal conjunction phrase. So Andy was joking. Andy was joking while Sue was laughing. Andy was joking while Sue was laughing. Andy was joking while Sue was laughing. So this is an example of conjunctional phrase. Let's read out the next phrase. Next you see here, Ahmed went to sleep. Ahmed went to sleep after they left. Ahmed went to sleep after they left. Here you see, first phrase is Ahmed went to sleep. Ahmed सोने के लिए चला गया. After के बाद अज़ान they left. उनके जाने के बाद Ahmed सोने के लिए चला गया. Ahmed went to sleep after they left. This is also a beautiful phrase. Ahmed went to sleep after they left. उनके रवाना होने के बाद, उनके जाने के बाद अहमद सोने के लिए चला गया. Ahmed went to sleep after they left. Here in this phrase, in this statement, in this sentence, after is a conjunction. After is the conjunction in this statement. Let's read out the next statement. आइए नया जुमला अगला जुमला पढ़ते हैं. Tom is working hard. Tom is working hard so he can pass the test. Tom is working hard so he can pass the test. Tom सख्त मेहनत कर रहा है इसलिए वो इम्तिहान पास कर सकता है. So first statement, first phrase is Tom is working hard. Tom is working hard. He can pass the test. This is the second part of this statement, and both of these parts are linked or connected with so. So is a conjunction here. So is a conjunction और उर्दू में conjunction को हर्फ अतफ कहा जाता है. Tom is working hard so he can pass the test. Tom is working hard so he can pass the test. So is the conjunction here. This is the third example. We have talked about Tom is working hard. Tom is working hard. Tom सख्त मेहनत कर रहा है. So he can pass the test. So he can pass the test. इसलिए वो टेस्ट पास कर सकता है. So इसलिए वो इम्तिहान पास कर सकता है. In this phrase we have so, that is a conjunction. Let's read out the next phrase, next statement. Here you see the next statement is it began to rain. It began to rain as soon as he reached there. It began to rain as soon as boy reached there. It began to rain as soon as boy reached there. You see, students, guys, it began to rain. बारिश होना शुरू हो गई. As soon as जो ही boy reached there. जो ही हम वहां पहुंचे बारिश शुरू हो गई. This is also a beautiful phrase. This is a beautiful statement. It began to rain. It began to rain. बारिश शुरू हो गई. As soon as boy reached there. As soon as boy reached there. जो ही हम वहां पहुंचे बारिश शुरू हो गई. In this statement, as soon as is a conjunction. As soon as is a conjunction in this statement, and we read it out again. It began to rain. बारिश शुरू हो गई. As soon as we reached there. It began to rain as soon as we reached there. जब ही हम वहां पहुंचे बारिश शुरू हो गई. Let's read out the next phrase. Jackie awaited. Jackie awaited until Ronnie turned up. Jackie awaited until Ronnie turned up. रोनी के आने तक जैकी ने इंतजार किया. Until shows the time. Until is a conjunction that shows the time between these two phrases, as well as until also connects these two phrases. These two statements are connected with until. Jackie awaited until Ronnie turned up. रोनी के आने तक जैकी ने इंतजार किया. जैकी अवेटेड. जैकी ने इंतजार किया until जब तक रोनी टर्न्ड अप. रोनी आ गया. रोनी के आने तक जैकी ने इंतजार किया. जैकी अवेटेड until रोनी टर्न्ड अप. जैकी अवेटेड until रोनी टर्न्ड अप. These both phrases are linked with until. These both phrases, ये दोनों जुमले until के साथ, until ने इन दोनों जुमलों को आपस में मिलाया है, लिंक किया है, कनेक्ट किया है. So until is a conjunction here. It shows the time. It shows the duration of time. Jackie awaited until Ronnie turned up. रोनी के आने तक जैकी ने इंतजार किया. आइए अगला फ्रेज देखते हैं. Next statement is Don weeds the lawn. Don weeds the lawn although he looks tired. Don weeds the lawn although he looks tired. You see there are two statements. Don weeds the lawn. This is the first part of this statement. Don lawn से जड़ी बूटियों को घास फूस को तलब करता है. Don lawn से घास फूस को तलब करता है. और although अगरचे, although is a conjunction. Although links this first part of this statement and the second part. He looks tired. अगरचे वो थका हुआ दिखाई देता है. Don weeds the lawn although he looks tired. Don weeds the lawn although he looks tired. Although is a conjunction here. So this is a conjunctional phrase in which although is used. Both of these statements are linked or joined with although. Don weeds the lawn. Don weeds the lawn although he looks tired. Don weeds the lawn. Don लॉन में से घास फूस काटता है, साफ करता है. although अगरचे he looks tired. although अगरचे he looks tired. वो थका हुआ दिखाई देता है. In this phrase, in this statement, although is a conjunction, and all these phrases we have read out are called conjunctional phrases, because conjunctions are those words which connect or link two words or two sentences or phrases in a statement. So let's read them out again. आइए इन phrases को, इन जुमलों को दोबारा से पढ़ते हैं, दोहराते हैं. First one is Andy was joking while Sue was laughing. Andy was joking while Sue was laughing. and he was joking while Sue was laughing. And he was joking while Sue was laughing. And next is Tom is working hard so he can pass the test. Tom is working hard so he can pass the test. Tom is working hard so he can pass the test. Tom is working hard so he can pass the test. And next is Ahmed went to sleep after they left. 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 And next is it began to rain as soon as we reached there. It began to rain as soon as we reached there. It began to rain as soon as we reached there. And next is Jackie awaited until Ronnie turned up. Jackie awaited until Ronnie turned up. Jackie awaited until Ronnie turned up. जैकी के रोनी के आने तक जैकी ने इंतजार किया. And next is Don weeds the lawn although he looks tired. 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 Don ने लॉन से घास फूस को साफ किया अगरचे वो थका हुआ दिखाई पड़ता है. अगरचे वो थका हुआ दिखाई देता है. Hey you guys, these are very commonly used in speaking. Memorize these phrases with these conjunctional phrases. These are very important. I'll see you again. Goodbye.